Welcome dear students. Today we are going to learn about the data communication and networking. So what is data communication? Basically, data communication is a process of exchanging data or information. This process involves communication system which is made up of hardware and software. The hardware part involves the sender and receiver devices and the intermediate devices through which the data passes. The software part involves certain rules which specifies what to be communicated, how it is to be communicated, and when it is to be communicated, and this is also called as a protocol. So now let me share the PowerPoint presentation. So what are the different characteristics of data communication? There are mainly four important characteristics of data communication. The first one is the delivery of the data. The data should be delivered from the sender to the receiver, that is the data should be delivered to the correct destination and to the correct user. And second one is the accuracy. When the sender sends the data and the receiver receives the data should be received in a accurate way, right? The data should be accurate. And the third one is time. When we send the data, it is to be accurate as well as it should reach in time. That is very important. And next one, it is the jitter. It is the variation in the packet arrival time. Even jitter may affect the timeliness of data being transmitted. And the next is, what are the components of data communication? The main important components of data communications are message, sender, receiver, transmission media, and protocol. These are the main 5 components of data communication. You can see in the figure, the sender is ready to send the data, the receiver is ready to receive the data, right? When both the parties agrees, right? So when we say that both the parties agrees, that comes into the picture, that is set of rules, that is a protocol. There is a protocol is there. When we are ready to send the data, the receiver is ready to receive the data, a protocol should be followed. There are different types of protocols are there, and that we are going to learn in the future videos. And the next is what we are going to send, that is nothing but your data or the message. When the sender is sending the data, the receiver is receiving the data, how it is transmitted? It is going to transmit over a transmission media, that is, it may be a coaxial cable or fiber optic cable or twisted pair cable. So these are the 5 ways or 5 components of data communication. So if you want to send and receive the data perfectly in a perfect order, then you have to follow these components, or no doubt we are using all these 5 components. So we will stop the discussion here. In the next video we will learn about how the data is going to transmit and what are the different modes of transmission of the data and what are the different ways to transmit the data and how the data is going to be represented. So we will see all these concepts in the next video. Till then, Take care. Thank you.